things hanging down there. Thanks, mate.
Sorry, Chris.
Okay, another day in paradise. We're pleased to get the 7R AJ finished, ex-Mike Hailwood, 1960. Robert is the proud owner of his bike, so he's asked us to give it the full Miller treatment. So we'll give it the Miller treatment. Jim will fire it up in a moment. We'll do a few laps of demo. Let you see how a 7R AJ works. Happy memories for me. 1953, Cookstown 100, Miller's first race bike was a 7R AJS, the earlier model of this, the long stroke. This is the short stroke. And he managed to win the race, easy peasy. Couldn't believe how slow the rest were going. So, wonderful memories. And of course, the AMC AJS, the Porcupine, the B4 supercharged AJ, they led the world in great racing machines. So there we go. We'll fire it up and let you hear a 7R AJ running. Right, here we go on the rollers. This makes life easier. Fuel on, Jim. Fuel on. Mike Hailwood, 1960. He won 3 TTs and he was leading the 350 class, possibly on this bike here. And on the last lap when he was leading, the crank pin broke. So Sulby Bridge, probably revving it too hard, so he didn't finish on the 7R. Ignitions, Jim. Right, here we go. First